Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup SaaS configuration using UpdraftPlus and cloud storage, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your SaaS configuration with UpdraftPlus, ensure you have the plugin installed. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus. Once you find it, click on Install Now and then Activate. After activation, locate UpdraftPlus in the dashboard menu. Click on Settings under the UpdraftPlus section. You will see various options for backup settings. Select the cloud storage option that suits your needs, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Follow the prompts to authenticate your cloud storage account. After authentication, return to the UpdraftPlus settings page. Set your backup schedule according to your requirements. Choose how many backups to retain for safety reasons. Now, scroll down and click on Save Changes. To create an initial backup, go back to the UpdraftPlus dashboard. Click on the Backup Now button. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to select what to include in the backup. Ensure that all relevant configurations and data are selected. Click on Backup Now to start the process. Wait for the backup to complete. This may take some time depending on the size of your configuration. Once completed, you will see status notifications showing success. To verify that your backup is stored properly, navigate to your selected cloud storage. Check the corresponding folder to confirm that the backup file is there. If you need to restore your settings in the future, return to the UpdraftPlus dashboard. Select the backup you wish to restore and click on Restore. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration process. It's advisable to perform regular backups to ensure your configuration is always up to date. Make it a habit to check your backup schedules and stored files periodically. This simple process will help safeguard your SaaS configuration using UpdraftPlus and cloud storage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.